B8.5 A4. Going to be doing an aftermarket downpipe on it and intercooler in preparation for stage 2 development. That's it. B8.5 A4 is back on the dyno after doing some hardware upgrades for stage 2. We're going to get into it, do same thing as stage 1, 91 file, 93 file, and an E85 file. So we'll do some runs now and see what we can get. Good? We just wrapped up stage 2. 91 octane, stage 2, gave us 240 horsepower and 271 foot-pounds of torque. 93 octane gave us 259 horsepower and 311 foot-pounds of torque. E85 gave us 268 horsepower and 330 foot-pounds of torque. Very informative, straight to the point. How could it get any better? This particular A4 came from the factory with flex fuel capability. So not all B8.5 A4s are like that, but some of them are. And the way you can tell that yours is or isn't is the dead giveaway is the aluminum intake manifold versus the plastic one, which has an extra injector in it. And then you can also just open your gas cap and it'll say E85 on it. But that being said, yeah, our car is flex fuel compatible, so we are developing tunes based on higher ethanol content. We're just going to do E85 and see what we get from it. Also, something I didn't mention is we're working on some extra add-ons for this car. Just little features. We have a crackle add-on. We had one previously for these cars, but it was just basically you had crackles on all the time or they were off all the time. Now we have toggleable, is that how you say that word?
I don't even know if that's a word.
Toggleable, toggle-able. You can toggle it using the cruise control stock. So, you know, you can turn crackles on the fly. You have soft crackles, hard crackles. You can toggle between those two on the fly and you can turn it off. So it's much better than the one we had available before. And then we're also working on something for the transmission. These ZF transmissions don't have launch control like the DSG ones. So we are working on something to hopefully assist people in doing launch control or a launch control-esque add-on. but we'll see. You'll see. By the time you guys see this video, these files will be available for you to download and purchase off Instantune. Stage 3, yeah, Stage 3 is coming. I feel like it's gonna be a pain in my butt. I just have that feeling. I don't know. It's like I can predict the future. Okay, where are we? We're on the dyno. What are we doing? We just wrapped up Stage 2. I know, we just wrapped up Stage 2.